Hey guys, so this is just me showing you guys how my hair looks before I'm about to get it retwisted. Yeah, it's pretty thick. I have so much new growth since I've showed you guys 3 months ago when I got a retwist. Yeah, I have heck of regrowth. So here I am under the dryer. She did my retwist or whatever. I'm about to get up under there. Now I'm out the dryer, and then when I get back home, I'm gonna chat with y'all. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is long overdue for a lock update video. So today I am currently 1 year and 1 year and 9 months locked on up. I started my lock journey on April 26, 2022. Yes. So when I first started my locks, I got them 2-strand twisted, and my locks were extremely thin. I will post pictures throughout this video of like months and when I started in mid-month to now. So yeah, I started my lock journey with 2-strand twists, and it didn't take my locks to lock up. It didn't take forever for them to lock up because I didn't wash my locks a lot. What I did was I put like a stocking cap, like one of these, for example. I put like one of these over my hair when I got in the shower, and I will wet my hair so that it can get, I guess, matted up faster. That's what helped my locks lock fast. But I just want to show you guys how they are looking right now. 1 year and 9 months lock journey. Yes, this is my locks. This is my locks, y'all. They have thickened up tremendously. They have thickened up like crazy. If you go back to my videos when I first started, they were like literally paper thin. Like I got some length. Like I think the last video I made, which was like 3 months ago, my front locks were like up to here. Now they are down here. Yes, my locks look beautiful. They have thickened up. They are wow, crazy, full, and I love them. So yes, this is my locks, guys. And I believe, I tried to count my locks before I started this video, and I believe I counted 75. I believe I counted 75 locks. Throughout my lock journey, I did have to split some in half and then combine some, because I am not the best of taking care of my locks, but the year of 2024, I am going to do better with that. I am going to do better. I'm going to oil my locks more, because when it comes to locks, even with your regular hair, you want to oil it. But when it comes to locks, you have to moisturize. You have to oil your locks. You have to do all of that, or they will rip apart like mine. I did have some in the back where I just was not taking care. I was putting it in ponytails a lot, which is fine, but you don't want to do that too much because it can cause a lot of breakage and thinning. And yeah, one of my locks, it just tore. But I'm learning my lessons. I'm learning. It is a process when you have locks. It is a process, and I'm learning and I'm growing, and I'm loving my locks. I'm loving my locks. I think I'm going to let my color grow out for a while. I like the color that I have now. When I first got it, it was like super like light golden, but I like the color that it is now. It looks natural. It's not too much, you know. But yeah, I'm just continuing to trust the process. I've came a long freaking way, you guys. I came a long way. When I tell you, I came a long way. So this is like the side view. This is the back. Now my back is thin because like I said, I was pulling my hair up in ponytails a lot. For example, I'll show you guys. Sorry guys, my camera had died, so I'm back now. So I wanted to show you guys the example. My mom that does my locks, like my back is super thin, and she wanted me to cut it so she can restore it, but I'm having a tough time doing that. So I'm gonna kind of wait it out to see if it starts to thicken back up before I cut it to restore that. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see if it thickens back up first, and if it does, then I'm gonna just leave it. But if it don't, we gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta restore it. We gotta do what we gotta do. But I love my locks. I like to do different styles, you know, like pulling it up, leaving some in the front. It's cute. Like, I don't think I would be pulling my back up anymore, though. Yeah, absolutely not. But I think this is really cute. And I wouldn't do, like, too tight. I'll probably do it like that and call it a day. But I love my locks. I'm not going to pull it up. Probably not no time soon. Probably just gonna let them be for a good minute. Let them breathe. Oil my scalp some more. Make sure I'm moisturizing them really good. I'm trying to show y'all as much as I can throughout this video. I don't want to just talk too much. I kind of want to show you guys how they look and stuff like that as well. Because when I be watching videos, I be wanting to see, like, I be wanting to see what it's looking like. And you know, they grew a lot. Like, they grew a lot. So I won't talk too much in this video. I just wanted to come on here and give you guys an update where I am, 1 year and 9 months. Everything is going pretty good. I just have to take care of my locks better. I have to not just keep them under wigs for 3 months straight and not. I have been washing my hair. I wash my hair often, very often. I just don't moisturize and oil them as much as you should. If you have locks, make sure you do it. Make sure you do it so you won't have no breakages or anything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my update of 1 year and 9 months. I will do another update for 2 years, but in the midst of that, I will do like a few styling my locks type videos, maybe like 2-strand twists, maybe like a twist out, a braid out, or something like that on my locks. If you want to see that, let me know, or what any style you want to see that involves my locks, just comment below and I will upload it for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next upload. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe so you can stay updated with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.